For our 7th look, we had Taylor come in. We did Handmade Volume and the 200 series. This set I did very similar to look 6. So I did the Handmade Volume on the inner corners and then transitioned her out to the 200 series. For this look, we did the dramatic mapping and then we kept the lengths a little bit shorter. She has never had a set this dense before, and so already creating a dramatic mapping, she wanted to have the shorter lengths so then it didn't feel like too much on her.
The very first thing I hear is I don't want too much. I don't want them too thick. So obviously I'm gonna start with classic or that traditional hybrid. But from there, as we all know, clients always want more. No matter what, it's never thick enough, it's never dark enough. So hybrid and different mixtures of hybrid allow for this to be a stepping stone to lead straight from classic all the way to mega volume.